we are back live at Iowa Live along with Kelena Bonnell from New Horizon Academy. Great to see you again.
You too.
Great to be back in studio again. That is really cool. But we have something that you need to pay attention to if you're looking for quality childcare. You folks have put together a really cool checklist.
Yeah, so we have this quality childcare checklist. School's starting tomorrow, and a lot of places people are thinking about what to do now that summer's over. We'd love to invite you into our centers. We have this great resource on our website, newhorizonacademy.net, and it's a checklist to guide you through touring our schools, but also other schools. We want to really show you that our schools are above and beyond our competitors. So we want you to take a look at our center and then go look at a competitor and just see how that adds up.
Now let's remind everybody about the ages of kids that you expect.
So we care for children 6 weeks through 5 years old. So they can finish out that pre-K year with us and then go off to kindergarten. At our Pella and Urbandale schools, we do have school age programs. So we're caring for school age kiddos at those locations.
Okay, and other locations that you have around the area. Now the ones that are currently functional are?
Yeah, so we're open in downtown Des Moines off Southwest 9th, West Des Moines off University, over in Johnston off Northwest 62nd and 86th, location in Pella, and then our new location in Urbandale.
Right, okay.
And then we're also opening in November. We have a great partnership with ITA Group, but we are accepting people from the public. So maybe you live in the area, work in the area. That's right off 80, off that Jordan Creek Parkway exit, the Arcadia building. And then we're coming to North Ankeny in January.
How exciting is that?
Yeah, lots of new things happening and all over the metro, so we can really accommodate you no matter where you live or work.
This is very, very exciting. All right, let's get to the checklist here.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the environment first.
Yeah, so as you're kind of looking at the center on this checklist, we really want you to look at those interactions. So how are the teachers interacting with the children? Is it an engaging experience? Do they have a learning activity? Are they using calm, positive voices? Do the children look happy? Are they well supported from an emotional standpoint? And then just looking at different questions that you should ask within the tour. So what policies are in place to keep children safe? What does guidance look like on behavior? And then when we look at curriculum, are we kind of balancing everything? Are we hitting on all of those points? How is child readiness assessed? So we know we do a lot of great studies. We utilize Creative Curriculum Gold to assess all children in our care, and that really gives us a baseline. So how are they performing when they first come in and then when they get ready to go to the next age group or kindergarten? And we know that our pre-K children are outperforming others in kindergarten and they're ready for kindergarten.
That speaks volumes, doesn't it?
Yeah. So our curriculum is great. It's very well-rounded, very hands-on, and allows children to learn through play. So sometimes they don't even know that they're learning.
That's the best part, isn't it?
The teachers have just planned these mindful learning experiences for them as they're playing.
Okay, let's just take a look at this graphic that's up on the screen right now, talking about the performance. When you're in the 90s, you know you're doing well.
Yeah, and this is all great data that we're able to have, again, as children are entering that kindergarten age. Another thing that's important to look for is licensing and accreditation. So how does the center fall within licensing with the Iowa Department of Health and Human Services, but also are they accredited? All of our metro schools, actually all of our schools company-wide, are NACE accredited. So that's a national accreditation. We're inviting someone in to look at our curriculum, our interactions, all of those things, really something that we're proud of and proud that all of our open schools participate.
It's going to take us a minute or two to check off this thing because she has checked off about every box here. And something else that is exciting too, you have an opportunity for people to come and work at New Horizon, and there's some availability.
Yes, definitely. So on this checklist, asking about teacher qualifications. Do the teachers have an education at New Horizon? We are proud to say that we offer a free CDA program and also a free AA. So a lot of great tuition reimbursements, other wonderful benefits as well, health, dental, vision, PTO. We have really great wages. We just did a huge wage investment that we're super excited about. We feel like our teachers are very well taken care of, so they're happy and positive, and they're taking great care of the kids.
Website to get all this information.
newhorizonacademy.net.
All right, it doesn't get much easier than that. Great job as always.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you tomorrow.